What's going on, everybody? Leif Barron with Solar States here, and today I'm going to be talking about smart panels.
Solar States flipped the switch of the largest solar panel array in Philadelphia.
The company Solar States is teaming up with the Philadelphia School District to help prepare students for careers using solar energy.
And that's what renewable energy and what solar is all about. It's jobs and jobs and jobs.
In the video, we're going to go over what a smart panel is, what it's used for. We're also going to go over two different options for smart panels that we have available here at Solar States. And lastly, we're going to go over some different scenarios in which we would recommend a smart panel for you. All right, so what is a smart panel? Simply put, a smart panel is a load management and monitoring smart device. So what does this mean? This means that for select loads in your main service panel, you're going to be able to monitor those loads and see exactly how many kilowatt hours they're pulling. And you're also going to be able to manage those loads, meaning that you can switch them on and off according to whatever your preferences are. If you have a battery backup system and the power goes out, one of the main things that you're going to be concerned about is making sure that your battery lasts as long as possible, that your battery energy lasts as long as possible. You might want to be conservative with the usage of the different loads you have in your main service panel. Having a smart device allows you to do that. You'll be able to see which loads are drawing the most electricity. You'll be able to make a determination as to whether or not those loads are important during the power outage. And then you'll simply be able to switch certain loads off to preserve your battery life in the event that the power goes out. So at Solar States, we have two options for smart panels. The first is called a Lumin smart panel. And this is a device that would be installed either below or next to your existing main service panel and would intercept 12 different selected circuits that you wanted to be able to manage and monitor. The other option we have available is called a Span smart panel. And this would be a complete replacement of your existing main service panel. An all-inclusive panel that would have all of your breakers connected with the ability to be able to be managed and monitored. So when are we going to recommend a smart panel for you? It very well might be the case that the current battery size that you've selected is not able to back up certain size breakers that are in your main service panel. And this is okay. What we can do is just use the smart panel to automatically drop those breakers that are too large for the battery from the battery when the power goes out. That way you don't need to worry about any kind of connectivity issues between your battery and a breaker that is too large for it to be able to back up. We might especially recommend the Span smart panel if we determine during our site visit that your current main service panel needs to be replaced to meet code requirements or for other reasons. That Span smart panel is going to be a complete replacement of your current main service panel. So that really would kill two birds and one stone, giving you the smart capability and also giving you a brand new replaced panel. The next reason that we're going to recommend a smart panel for you is if you express to us that you're really interested in modernizing your home and being able to sort of see more what is happening with your electric loads and have added capability to either switch them on or off or just simply see how much they are consuming. And one final reason why we might recommend a smart panel would actually be to, rather than pair with an existing battery backup system, to prepare for a future battery installation. Having a smart panel is going to give us really important data that we can use to then adequately size a battery system for you in the future. Okay, so to wrap this up, a smart panel gives you the ability to monitor and manage the loads in your main service panel. This is really important if you're trying to optimize your battery backup system and extend the life of your battery through a power outage as long as possible. All right, that's all for today. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments down below. or if you have any other ideas of a video that you'd like to see, feel free to let me know. All right, thanks everybody. Peace.